In this video, I want to show you how to install tools to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please just do us a favor to subscribe and share this video for more videos like this. So here's my Hisense Smart TV that I got, and I want to show you how to install some tools to it. Now, on a Hisense Smart TV, there is a limitation because you cannot install applications from Google Play Store or downloader just like we normally do on an Android TV. So the applications that you get on a Hisense Smart TV are only limited to the applications on the App Store. So that is the disadvantage of a Smart TV. But nonetheless, the applications on the App Store are very interesting. But of course, if you don't want to use applications on a Hisense Smart TV, there is a solution though in which you can use a TV box to have the Android TV operating system to use. So if you're looking for a TV box to use, in the description of this video, I've added a TV box that I use besides my Hisense TV to install applications from Google Play Store and use them. So just check it out. If you like it, go for it. If you don't like it, still good. But on Hisense TV, the applications are all limited to the App Store. So that the App Store has loaded, and here is it. Remember, we're looking for tools that we can install to our Hisense Smart TV. So what you have to do is just to scroll down a little bit to the option that says there are categories here. So you go down to the category that says tools, and here is it. So here are all there are just about 9 of them here that you can install. There is Miracast, there is Cracking Fireplace. So there are quite a few of them. So you can just go ahead and figure them out. The screensaver, but to install is just simple. Just click on once, and then there is going to bring you to the install button, which you can just go ahead and install. And this is how to install tools. Now you have to toggle it and move the application to where you want it to be. But for the sake of this video, I just wanted to stay here, and this is it. So you can go ahead and launch the app to see what it does on your Hisense Smart TV, and this is just how the one looks like. So this is how to install tools to your Hisense Smart TV. If you found the video helpful, please just subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this.